Toba, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we've got something simple, something you can cook for the kids on a Saturday afternoon or something after school on a weeknight. It's this traditional Greek chicken souvlaki. But hey, we're not going to just put it in a plate, we're going to dress it up with some beautiful tomates, a bit of onion, some parsley and of course plenty of lemon. And of course we can't forget the last one, tzatziki. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to make this, but within about 5 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare our chicken. We've turned down our CrossRay BBQ with all 4 burners on high, and we're going to turn them down on low now because we don't need it cooking on high, and it's not going to take too long to cook. I've got some beautiful here thigh fillets. Thanks to our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game, Betty and Dimitri, for providing our chicken today. So we've got with the skin on. Now I'm going to do 2 types. I'm going to do one on the skewers, just like this, and I'm also going to do it just like straight like that on the barbecue. And what we're going to do then is slice it up and put it on the pita bread, just here. So the first thing is let's prepare the one for the skewers. Grab it as it is. I like the skin on, it makes it a nice little bit crispy. So we'll just cut up little square bits. So just cut straight through the meat, just like this, all the way, like that. Then just cut some nice little bits. Keep it nice and, rustic as I call it. You've seen me do this before. You don't need to measure the bits. Keep them just nice and large so they can stay nice and juicy. And there we have it. And that's it. There is your chicken skewer. And I've probably got too many there for one, but that's all we're going to do. So the next thing we're going to do is obviously put it on the skewer. Grab it like this and just pass it straight through. You can see it's not difficult. Just grab it like this, put the bits through, and away you go. Just like that. So there we go. We've made our 2 skewers with our beautiful Maryland fillet, and now we have our other piece here. Like I said, with this one, we're just going to cook it as it is. So, very simple marinade. You've seen Jack the Greek do it before. A little bit of salt and pepper, just like this. Turn them around. Beautiful, just like this. Turn it over and put your salt as well. There you go. So we've got that. Now we've got to put a little bit of rigatoni, and there we have it. Put a bit of beautiful rigatoni, just like this. Turn it over. There we go. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to marinate your beautiful chicken Maryland fillets if you're going to cook on the CrossRay BBQ some souvlaki for your kids. So now what we're going to do is put it on the CrossRay BBQ. This will take about 4 minutes for these to cook. There we have it. Come in close and have a look at this beautiful, beautiful cooking of our beautiful fillet. And with the fillet, I'm just going to place it straight like that. And I'm going to leave it there. And now I'm going to come back and over here and just clean up my plate and my bench just very quickly. And I want to prepare my tzatziki. And you've seen me make that before. So we'll grab our bowl. We've got our cucumber here. And I'm just going to quickly put it in there. And by the time we make our tzatziki, I can just about guarantee you that our chicken will be ready. So we'll keep going here on the cucumber. Just like this. And there we have it. That's probably enough there. And you'll notice I'm going to use 2 different bowls to do this because this is going to be our tzatziki bowl. And what we'll do is we'll quickly just let most of the juices out of the cucumber, just like that, and put it in that bowl there. And there we go. Let's see how it's going. Beautiful. It's going very well behind us. So there we have it. We have a bit of mint, so we're going to put that as well, just in our tzatziki. Depends, really. Depends how much you like mint. You can put as much as you like in there. Just like that. Put some in there. There we go. And of course, olive oil. There we go. Beautiful. And let's not forget our yogurt. I like using Doma, Greek style, but you can use anything you like. And I'll put it in there. Just like that. Okay, that's finished as well. So now we'll just mix it up. And there you have it. There's our beautiful tzatziki. I'll put a little bit of salt in there as well. Okay, so we've added our salt as well. And now our tzatziki is ready. The next thing we're going to do is just prepare our tomates. And these ones are tomates from Adelaide. Yes, Adelaide tomates. Beautiful tomates. So we'll get them ready and we'll put that away because now you can see behind us a beautiful chicken is cooking away. So we'll cut our tomatoes, get them ready. That's the next step now. And we'll prepare them for a beautiful souvlaki for the kids. There we have it. So we've got our two there. We're going to have our tomatoes as well. Beautiful. Just like that. Nice and healthy and fresh on either one. And there we have it. Put that away. Leave that there. There. Our beautiful tomatoes. And there we go. Some tomato there. Of course, you're going to want some onion. Some kids do. We'll put that there. And you can see how this is a 5-minute meal. They're not far away now. We're going to turn them over just before we put the pita breads on. So we'll have our tomatoes there as well. And let's just get our onion ready. Our lemon ready. Just like this. And you can see, straight from the dipper. Like I said, we've got our tomatoes, we've got our onion, and of course you can see Jack's lemunya, straight from his garden. Jack the Greek. And of course, you would have seen the garlic here. I chose not to put garlic in our garlic sauce today, our tzatziki, because the kids prefer not to have it. So we'll put that away. Our onion, we're all done. There we have it. Let's come and have a look. Come in close and have a look at our beautiful meat. Beautiful, look at that. Look at our chicken, our beautiful Maryland, the skin on, and our beautiful two souvlaki or bas. There we go. That's going to take probably another minute and a half, 2 minutes to cook. And it's probably time now to get our bitters. You can use any bitters you like. I like these fresh Greek bitters. I think they usually come from the local supermarket. So we'll put a couple of those in there as well now. Just like that, one there and one there. And there we have it. So now, what's next? We've got our lemons ready, our maydano. Let's cut a bit of maydano, just like this, and we'll have that ready on the side as well, just like this. And let's put that just there. Now we're just getting ready. Our chicken shouldn't be far. We'll put that away. Put our salt away. We've got a little bit of olive oil, that can go away too. We've used that. And we'll put that in our tzatziki, and we'll leave the rigani here for the end. So, let's have a look at our pita breads. Beautiful. Nearly there. And by the time those pita breads are ready, the chicken will be ready as well. It's been around 5 minutes now since we've had our chicken on and our pita breads. About 2 minutes on the CrossRay BBQ. You can see I've lifted my pitas up. So I don't want to overcook them, but I just want to keep them warm. I've cleaned my prep area, and now I'm ready to plate up everything. So we'll grab our pita breads, and we'll just put them just like this. And again, this hasn't taken long at all. It's a 5-6 minute meal. And I made all my tzatziki, my tomatoes, my onions, my parsley. All that was made while the chicken was cooking. So there we have it there. And we'll have a little bit of tzatziki piled on this one, just like that. And we'll put that on the side there. So that's it there for our tzatziki. And now it's time to grab our chicken skewers. Grab our chicken skewers, and we'll just put them in like that. Just there. Beautiful. There we go. 2 skewers on that one. And like I promised, with this one, we're actually going to cut it up. So I've got my knife, and I'm just slicing it up into pieces. And you can do this with all your chicken, instead of putting it onto skewers. And look at that. Look how soft and beautiful and juicy it is. Beautiful. Look at that. Our beautiful chicken. Our Maryland fillets from our friends at Preston Free Range Poultry and Game. So we'll put that on just like this on our pita bread, and we'll put the other pieces on just on top, just like this. And of course, a little bit of maydano as well. Oh, bas, look at this. Why wouldn't you want to have your kids' party at home? Eh? Why wouldn't you want to do that? A little bit of lemoni on top as well. The lemunya straight from the garden, Jack the Greek's garden. And of course, we'll put a bit of extra lemoni there. We'll cut half of this lemoni as well for the other plate. And there we have it. All in around 6 minutes. All cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. Beautiful free-range chicken. Provided by our friends at Preston Market, Betty and Dimitri. And there you have it. Beautiful, traditional Greek chicken souvlaki. All cooked on the CrossRay BBQ by Jack the Greek. Enjoy your afternoon. God bless.